how to download a GIF from Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a GIF from Pinterest. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the Pinterest application, go to the search bar and type in GIF and simply click on search. You'll be able to see various GIFs. For example, this is the one that you wish to download. Click on it and then you'll be able to see some options over here. So what you're going to do is click on these three dots over here and then you'll be able to see some more options. So you're going to click on download image and then you can simply head over to your gallery and see that the GIF would be downloaded. Now, if it does not contain the option of download, that means that the owner has not given the download permission, and I suggest you not to download it from any third-party application because that would be illegal and it will go against laws. So if you do see the download image option, then you're free to download. If not, then please refrain from downloading. So that is basically how you can download GIF from Pinterest. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.